यूएनएससी की बैठक में विदेश मंत्री एस जयशंकर का संबोधन। आपको बताएं कि अफगानिस्तान के हालात चिंताजनक, ये उन्होंने कहा है। आतंकवाद का महिमा मंडन ना हो, पाकिस्तान का नाम लिए बगैर विदेश मंत्री एस जयशंकर ने निशाना साधा। उन्होंने कहा कि आतंकियों की मदद कर रहे देशों को रोकना होगा। प्रायोजित आतंकवाद दुनिया के लिए खतरा है। विदेश मंत्री ने मुंबई और पठानकोट हमले का भी इस दरमियान जिक्र किया। भारत हमेशा से आतंकवाद का शिकार रहा है, ये भी उन्होंने बड़ी बात कही। आतंकवाद पर दोहरा चरित्र चाल नहीं चल सकता, ये उन्होंने कहा। और ये भी कहा कि दुनिया को आतंकवाद के खिलाफ लड़ना होगा, एकजुट होना होगा। आतंकवाद का कोई मजहब नहीं होता। आतंकवाद के हर रूप की निंदा होनी चाहिए। किसी भी कीमत पर आतंकवाद को सही नहीं ठहराया जा सकता, ये कहा है विदेश मंत्री एस जयशंकर ने यूएनएससी सुरक्षा परिषद के बैठक में। यहाँ पर उन्होंने इन तमाम बड़ी बातों का जिक्र किया।
The international community holds a collective view that terrorism in all its forms and manifestations must be condemned. There cannot be any exception or any justification for any act of terrorism, regardless of motivations behind such acts. We also recognize that the menace of terrorism cannot be and should not be associated with any religion, nationality, civilization, or any ethnic group. However, in spite of the progress we have made to tighten the legal, security, financing, and other frameworks to combat terrorism, terrorists are constantly finding newer ways of motivating, resourcing, and executing acts of terror. Unfortunately, there are also some countries who seek to undermine or subvert our collective resolve to fight terrorism. That cannot be allowed to pass. The latest report of the Secretary General has provided another stark reminder to all of us that ISIL, Daesh, continues to pose a critical threat to international peace and security. ISIL, Daesh remains active in Syria and Iraq, and its affiliates are growing in strength, particularly, as we heard from the briefers, in Africa. The financial resource mobilization of ISIL Daesh has become more robust. The flow of funds has continued, and rewards for killing, I believe, are now being paid even in Bitcoin. The radicalization of vulnerable youth by systematic online propaganda campaign remains a serious concern. In our own immediate neighborhood, ISIL Khorasan has become more energetic and is constantly seeking to expand its footprint. This should be taken seriously. Events unfolding in Afghanistan have naturally enhanced global concerns about their implications for both regional and international security. The heightened activities of the proscribed Haqqani network justifies this growing anxiety. Whether it is in Afghanistan or against India, groups like Lashkar-e-Toiba and Jaish-e-Mohammed continue to operate with both impunity and encouragement. It is therefore vital that this Council does not take a selective, tactical, or even a complacent view of the problems we face. We must never countenance sanctuaries for terrorists or overlook the raising of their resources. And when we see state hospitality being extended to those with innocents' bloods on their hand, we should never lack the courage to call out this doublespeak.